So this is the adjustable pinch perfect, and I appreciate you guys for watching this video before purchasing. I know it's an expensive product and we want to make sure that you know exactly what you're getting before you spend your hard-earned money. This is a great tool. We designed it for people with hand strength issues and the hobby crafters that may just have a few tumblers to do every now and then and would like the convenience of being able to wrap their tumblers hand-free without having the hassle of holding the wrap together the entire process. So we're going to go over an in-depth tutorial on how to use it in the process we think works best that will make your tumbler wrapping process easier. So to start off, you want to pre-wrap your tumbler by simply just applying your wrap and then making sure that it is tight around the bottom, just like this. And then we're going to place the tumbler and wrap on the top of the arms like this. We're going to hold the top of the tumbler as well as the bottom of the paper on both sides and then push down. Should be about 2 to 3 clicks. I'm using a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. With something like the 40-ounce Stanley tumbler, you'll probably need to do a few more clicks. And then what we're gonna do is just pull on both sides of the paper, making sure that it is completely tight. And then you'll know it's tight when you can pick it up like this and nothing moves. So this is the taping method that we suggest. We call them tape tabs. So you wanna do 6 to 8 different pieces of tape, evenly spaced out across the tumbler like this. The main thing is getting that first one over there. Once you get that first one, usually in the middle, don't apply too much pressure down, just push over. And the other ones you can just pull over like so. Like I said, don't apply too much pressure because if you do, there's a chance that the tumbler goes down and then loosens up the wrap. So we're just pulling over the tape, making sure it's down tight like this. Tape tabs are so much easier and takes a lot less time than normal taping. Then you can just pop your tumbler out like this. It's tight, not going anywhere. You can finish taping the seam line if you want, tape around the top, tape around the bottom, but now you no longer have to worry about having to hold your tumbler wrap tight while taping. It is tight for you. Do the rest, and then you're good to sublimate.